Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences, grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel, with me, Richard, here. And today we are looking at this question. Consider the circuit below. So this is the circuit we are having. And they say, state the type of arrangement of bulbs A, B, and C above and explain your answer. Yeah, these are our bulbs. This is A, this is B, this is C. And what arrangement is that? Are they arranged in series or in parallel? The answer is parallel. Okay. And they said, explain your answer. So what is the explanation for this answer? Why do we say the bulbs are arranged in parallel? The answer is that alternative routes for the current are provided. So whenever that situation occurs where a current can pass here, another one can pass in another one, another one can pass in another one, then that arrangement is parallel. So the answer is that different paths of current are provided. Yeah, that is that. Then we come to this question. It says that what is the voltmeter reading V1 and V2? Okay, this is V1 and this is V2. Yes, what are their reading? So what do we do to answer this question? You look at the terminal voltage, and what we see here is 9 volts. And we need to know that components in parallel have the same voltage. So which means that V1 is 9 volts. The same applies to V2, which is also 9 volts. Okay. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that calculate the ammeter reading A1, A2, and A3. Here they say, assume all the bulbs are of the same kind. Okay. Yeah, what do we do? What do we know? This is what we know. First of all, you have to know that no current passes through the voltmeter. So we won't have current passing here and here. But this current here, which you have as 6 ampere, some will pass here. Suppose you call that one I1. And another one will pass here. You can call it I2. Another one you can pass here. And you can call that one I3. Yes. Yeah. But we know that this current, which is supposed to be the total current, is 6. So 6 is subdivided into 3. And all the bulbs are the same, which means all the bulbs are taking the same current. So what do we say under this circumstance? We are going to say 6 is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. But we know that I1 is equal to I2, which is equal to I3, and we can say is equal to I. So if that is true, we can say 6 is equal to I plus I plus I. This gives us 6 equals to 3I. And how do we get I? We divide both sides by 3. So we are going to say divided by 3, divided by 3. You cancel this, and you are going to get your I, which is equal to 2. And the units for current is A, which is ampere. So from here, we can confidently say that I1 is 2 ampere, and I2 is also 2 ampere, and the same applies to I3, which is also 2 ampere. Yeah, that's that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9 with me, Richard. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to share, to like. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. See you next time. Bye-bye.